It's Saturday, March 18th, 2023. I'm at a stone facility in Silverdale, Kansas, and I've been called out to inspect doors and fix issues that the customer has been having. First issue on door East 1 is I have no brace rod to support this spring rod. And what's happening is in this area right here, the weight of the spring is dragging the rod down, so it's causing the rod to do a swooping motion. And those spring buckets right there are set so high up that what it is currently doing is also binding the rod in an upward direction. Because of that, the door is not free to move up and down as it should be. These springs will pick up the door if you assist it. We also have gaps here set on a very small amount of high lift that are so large that the rollers get stuck inside them, almost like a pothole in a road. And when they go up, it binds the door, and just about every roller, every other roller, this motor fails and it shuts itself off. Let's see if I can't recreate the issue. Just once it gets up a little bit, it's a bad noise. Wasn't able to recreate the problem this time. The other problem is Rainer is pretty clear on specifying how these brackets are supposed to be set. There's holes like this that this bracket is supposed to locate to, but when you leave that screw in, this bracket does not sit in its location as it's supposed to. There you can see one of the locator holes of where this bracket's supposed to go. This screw here is non-standard and it was just drilled into the metal. And then this screw here, which is not supposed to be here, is what's also running in. This screw should be here in a hole that is just up here, but is not resting there because the door was installed improperly. And what this does is this is now the lowest point of the door. And when it makes contact with the ground down here, you get a large and loud thud. One of the other problems with this door is it's been rubbing on the rail in this seal way too hard that it's causing the paint to fail. And that is because this track is adjusted too far in, almost to its mechanical limit. The bracing up top is adequate for your up and down, but for your lateral forces, it is inadequate because you only have about an 8 to 10 inch spread when you should have a 15 to 18 inch spread, so you have more of a diagonal motion to keep that track from moving in and out. And if you're looking